Hi there. In today's tutorial, I want to walk you through how to recover a permanently disabled Facebook account. I tried logging onto my account on the 17th of October 2025 and I noticed my account has been disabled and I'm very sure I didn't violate any Facebook community guidelines. So I will just try to recover this and I want to walk you through the steps. Now there's no form on this page for me to recover my account. The only option here is to download application and then go to help center. So I'm just going to click on go to help center. Now when you get to the help center, actually there's no form here and you can see there's no option here for me to even make any appeal. The only option here is for appeal. When you click on this, it's actually going to redirect you back to the page, and when you log in, it's actually going to give you the same information you have over here. And the only option here to do that is you can see, was this information helpful? If you see this information, was it helpful? This information is not helpful, so just click on no, and immediately you click on no, you can see what went wrong. You need to provide or select any of this option, and then I'm going to select this option. This solution doesn't work, so I'm going to select here and then click on select, and this gives you additional option to send information to Facebook. So just paste this right here and then submit it. So dear Facebook team, my Facebook account under the email, so you provide your email, just provide your email, was recently disabled. I believe this was an error as I have not violated the community standard. Would appreciate if you could review this decision. Thank you for your time and consideration. Then you make sure you submit this to Facebook, and you should be expecting a feedback. Make sure you use the right email that is associated to Facebook so they can look into your issue and attend to you or respond to you. So when everything is set, make sure you submit this. If you've not violated any of their community standards, then you be rest assured that your account will be restored back. But if you do, then you may not be able to get your account back. So I'm just going to go ahead and submit this. Then this has been submitted, and then I'll be expecting the feedback from Facebook some few days. And make sure to check at the comment section, because I'm going to leave these templates at the comment section. So after submitting my request for a review to Facebook, now I waited for some few days and I'm going to try to log in and see if I can access my Facebook page. Okay, so you can see my Facebook page is back and working perfectly. So that means I've not violated anything. Sometimes it's due to some technical errors, and Facebook may just disable your account or suspend your account for no reason. So you can just send a review, just like I did. My account was disabled and then I sent in a request for a review. Then my account was actually restored within a day. So this was the next day when I tried opening my account. I log in and then account was restored. Thank you so much. And remember to subscribe for more. Bye bye.